Welcome to the Yogan Fruits Toshiba POS terminal with Visual Touch software. When you get your system out of the box, it will look more or less like this. You have a cash drawer, you have a receipt printer, and the terminal with dual display. If you come to look at the side here, you're going to have to plug the cash drawer into the terminal, and you're going to have to plug the terminal wire that comes out of the terminal into the printer, and you'll also have to plug in your network cable for internet connection. You'll find two thumb screws on either side, so if you can screw those off, you have to then pull the dual display back, and it will just sit here like this. Pinch both sides of the back cover and lift up. That will come off. The first thing you'll see is that you've already got the dual display and the printer cable plugged in. You will likely have the power cord plugged in here. If you don't, as in this case, you will take the power cord out of the box, plug it into this slot in the back, take the cable, run it through the cable management system here, and you have two choices at this point. There's a hole in the bottom, and if you've got the terminal on a counter with a hole in it, you can just simply run the power cord straight down through that hole. If you have it on top of the cash drawer, however, you can run it out the side with the cable for the dual display and the printer cable. In this case, I'll do it through the side. So that's the power cord. Then you have a cord coming from your cash drawer that you have to plug in. Again, you take this cable, you plug it into the top slot that's marked drawer number 1, and again run this cable down through the cable holding system at the bottom, and again through the bottom or at the side. We're almost there. You can now plug in your internet connection. So your internet connection should be a standard RJ45 plug into this slot on the side for the internet connection. And again, same thing with this cable. At this point, you've got quite a few wires, so be careful. You have to take the lid and put the back panel back on. Just push these cables up so they're a little bit out of the way. Push it in so it's a little high, and then down. You can then move the cables that are coming out off to the side. Put the dual display back on the spots here, and push it back into place so it's snug with the terminal. You will find that your machine came with this cord already sticking out of it. This is what we call a Y cable, and this provides both power and USB connection to the printer. So what you do at this point is you take your printer, turn it over. You will see the USB port here and the power port here. Plug the power port in. Make sure that it's facing the correct way up, which is the flat side up. And then the USB in there. And that can go down by the side as well. Now your entire system is ready to work. So all you have to do is plug it in, turn it on, and contact Visual Touch to get your software running. Thank you very much, and I hope this has been helpful.